right, so we signed up for one of the most epic tours in probably all of Hawaii. It's a tour of the Na Pali Coast, and of course it's another intense boat tour, so if you get seasickness, definitely take some motion sickness pill like Dramamine and stuff. But it's about a 4-hour tour along the Na Pali coastline in a Zodiac boat. You go through like these sea caves, you go snorkeling. It's gonna be pretty awesome, so let's go. So for our first day in Kauai, we decided to go and take a tour of the infamous Na Pali Coast, which is on the northwest shore of Kauai, on the smallest island in Hawaii. The Na Pali Coast is basically just a 17-mile stretch of these really rugged and remote cliffs that are insane. One of the most iconic natural beauties that you can find in all of Hawaii. Actually, the name Na Pali is Hawaiian, and it stands for the cliffs. So don't get it confused with Nepali, like over there in Nepal. Shout out to my all my Nepal homies though. The jagged cliffs were formed by over 5 million years of erosion from wind and water. And you can definitely tell this place is a magical place. It also used to be a sacred burial ground for the ancient Hawaiians that used to live here. On top of that, it is also one of the wettest places on the entire planet, receiving over 400 inches of rain every single year. So, needless to say, there's definitely tons of erratic and stormy weather happening on this coast. What's very special about this place is that it's pretty much inaccessible except by boat and by foot, and it's home to one of the most dangerous trails in the entire Hawaiian island archipelago, known as the Kalalau Trail. It's 11 miles one way, so literally 22-mile round trip, and it's super dangerous, but there's a lot of untouched natural beauty there. So if that's something you're into, it sounds like an epic adventure. If the mountains look kind of familiar, you might have recognized it in a lot of really popular Hollywood movies, such as Jurassic Park, King Kong, Tropic Thunder, Avatar, and even Pirates of the Caribbean. The tour leaves are at 2 separate times, either the morning or the afternoon. We recommend going in the morning because you might experience a lot less waves and turbulence during that time. Just keep in mind that even though the island of Kauai is pretty small, that it'll take some travel time to get southwestern coast where the tour actually departs from. So where we were staying in the north, it was about an hour and 20-minute drive. So just be sure to factor in that. So since it's one of the most beautiful and dangerous places in all of Hawaii, we had to sign up for a tour. So we signed up with the Na Pali Riders for a Zodiac rafting tour along the Na Pali Coast, which was freaking insane. I know we've been on tons of boating tours, but this had to be one of the most intense ones. Like, all the waves and the turbulence made the ride so bumpy. Like, there are tons of people getting sick, and they were kind of warning people before about motion sickness. So definitely come prepared. Take your Dramamine pills and anything you'll need to not feel sick during the trip, because it is an incredibly bumpy ride. So a moment where you guys get to jump off the boat and swim in the deep waters of the ocean. So it's kind of scary staring into the abyss, the abyssal darkness of the deep ocean, but pretty cool experience if you want to enjoy a nice swim along the way. But I would say the main focus is definitely the boat ride itself. So if you're into crazy, dramatic natural landscapes and holding on for dear life on an epic Hawaiian adventure, this is definitely something you have to add to your Hawaiian bucket list. All right, even though this is definitely one of the most expensive tours, probably around $250, it definitely was worth it. But I would recommend choosing your time of year. I think in the winter and fall time, the waves and the swells are a little bit higher, so you're not going to be able to experience a lot of the other hidden gems around here, like actually going through a sea cave. Fortunately, I paid for the video package, and they included some of the videos for us along with our trip, so that was kind of cool. But we recommend going in the summertime so you can experience a little bit calmer waters. You can go through the caves and you can even see some awesome marine life like a bunch of dolphins and whales. So stay tuned because we are just getting started. We'll have another vlog going over our 2-day epic experience in Kauai. But yes, also check out some of our other epic adventures on the Hawaiian Islands and stay tuned for more. See you later. Peace out.